Today we're going to be opening the labubu. I don't care what's going on. I want the secret. I'm scared. Yeah, I got it at the gas station. So yeah. Labubu, labubu. I'm scared to open the door.
Is that luck? Hey, that's the one you have.
Yeah, but why is it so furry?
Because you already knew it was a little foo-foo. I told you. See, now you got all those. And you got 2 real ones from Pop Mart.
I don't know what to say. I know it's very furry. Oh, did it come with a card? No card. Nope. Did it come in the back? Nope. No card.
You need to quit buying them when you know they're little.
Well, I like little foo-foos and labubus. It's very concerning, but okay, it's so cute. It's so cute. He's gonna have a new home. I wish I was the secret, even though I already have the secret, but it's okay. I have a lot of lucks now. Bye-bye, guys!